Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PayPal debit card at an ATM. First, locate an ATM that proudly displays the MasterCard, Cirrus, or Plus logo. These logos indicate that the ATM is compatible with your card. Once you've found one, simply insert your PayPal debit MasterCard into the designated card slot. Next, you will be prompted to enter your 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN, to access your account. This is a crucial step for security. After successfully entering your PIN, the ATM will present you with a menu of transaction options. You'll want to select Withdrawal to get cash. If the machine asks you to choose an account type, typically select Checking or Savings, as your PayPal balance is usually linked to a checking account for these transactions. It's important to note that some ATMs may charge a service fee for withdrawals, which will be clearly displayed on the screen before you finalize your transaction. Now, you'll need to enter the specific amount of cash you wish to withdraw. Make sure this amount does not exceed your available PayPal balance or any daily withdrawal limits set by the ATM or PayPal itself. Always double-check the transaction details presented on the screen, including the withdrawal amount and any potential fees, to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied with the information, confirm the withdrawal to proceed and complete your request. Finally, the ATM will dispense your requested cash. Be sure to collect all the bills from the dispenser promptly. Don't forget to retrieve your PayPal debit MasterCard from the card slot. It's easy to leave it behind in the rush. Lastly, take your transaction receipt for your records. It's always a good practice to check your PayPal account activity online or through the app to verify that the withdrawal has been accurately processed and reflected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.